Hey y'all, your girl is back with another Clean With Me video. Excuse my voice, I am recovering from a sore throat. It actually started kicking in on this night that I was filming this. So the scenario is I have guests that are coming within an hour and the place is a hot mess. I really just kind of let it go during the week. I work a full-time job and I, sometimes I just don't have the energy like everybody else does. And, I'm not perfect by any means. But I was just like, you know what, let me hurry up and get my house together. Earlier in the day, I couldn't do it because I was doing laundry. And if anybody knows how New York is, if you don't have laundry in your building, or a 24-hour laundromat, it's pretty difficult. Laundry takes the entire day. And in New York, if you don't have access to a laundry machine, in the nearest vicinity, you're going to let your laundry kind of pile up. But I got to work on that. Got to have more energy. But yep, so obviously I'm cleaning the kitchen. The particular spray that I'm using, I actually got it from Target. I'll put the name of it below, but that particular spray, it's eco-friendly, doesn't have any bleach or anything necessarily in it, but it is antibacterial, which I appreciate. So it's gentle on the counters and the wood. I don't want to talk throughout this entire thing because I think talking through videos is so annoying. So I guess this is where I say please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel because I'll upload more videos hopefully very soon. And just progress. I would love suggestions, anything that will help. So, all right. Enjoy. Oh, and by the way, this is by no means a deep clean video. This is not a deep clean video. I don't know how deep everybody else's deep cleaning goes, but this is not a deep clean video. This is literally just like a quick tidy up the house, putting things away. That's it.